Hi guys, I've done a series of videos recently on this Dicky Toys radio controlled motorbike. It was toy grade radio control and had some problems with it. Basically I didn't have the right controller for it initially. And then I broke the steering, so I had to 3D print replacement. And the controller I was using, we weren't getting much range. So I converted it to hobby grade. So we got Fly Sky receiver in there, a couple of ESCs, one for the steering motor, one for the drive motor. So we now get good range with it, and it works fine. Or at least it works as fine as it can, bearing in mind my lack of experience riding a motorbike. Or at least model motorbike. Anyway, that's the preamble. A few years ago, I picked up this one in a charity shop and have had some success driving it, riding it, whatever you want to call it. I played around with the batteries. I was running it on lithium-ion batteries, I think. And I thought, well, after the success of changing that one to hobby grade, we could have a look at this one. So this video, despite the ridiculously long preamble or introduction, is just so I can take it apart and have a look inside and see if we've got enough space to actually squeeze in hobby grade receiver and two hobby grade ESCs, electronic speed controllers, in case you're not familiar with the terms. So looks like I've got a few screws to undo. I can't remember whether I've taken this apart before. I probably have. I have a habit of taking everything apart. You might have noticed the other one has got a couple of wheels either side as stabilizers. This has just got a piece of wire, which may or may not be better, because the wheels are quite small and they tend to dig into any little bumps you find in the road. Well, that doesn't want to come out. Why doesn't that want to come out? Okay, carry on regardless. I seem to remember this one has the aerial going up through the body. How are we doing? I expect we've got to take him off, haven't we? What I should have done was have a look through my previous videos and see if we got a disassembly video. That would have made life a little bit easier. None of this wants to come apart at the moment. Just going to put the light on because I can't see if there's a screw in there. Right, there's no screw in there, so I must be missing something. So I think I've undone all the screws I can see. It does seem to be being held in place there. Definitely no screw there. Screw on this side. Just to be awkward. Okay. Still not coming apart. Oh, it's right back the aerial. Just see it going up his bottom there. Battery's running down on the camera. I've been doing a lot of filming this afternoon, but I've just discovered, I need to pull his legs off so we can get it apart. And lift him up. Let's see if we can take him right off. Okay. Is that another screw hole in there by any chance? Yes. There we go. Right. Now will it come apart? Yes. Something's still... It's got a couple of little catches in there. Oh, there we go. Oh, I've got to take the windscreen off. Oh, that doesn't want to come off. Oh, it's got nuts and bolts on it. Can we lever it off without getting them off? Well, we can see how much space we've got. Oh, broken it. Oh well, such is life. I should have taken it off. Nice bit of suspension up in there. So that's our receiver. Can we squeeze a couple of ESCs in there with it? Maybe. Bit of a gap there. Might be enough space. Might be able to get one just in there and one back there. I'm not sure if I've got any in stock. I should probably order some new ones anyway. ESCs, I don't know, £3, £5. That sort of price, depending on how many you buy at once. And the Fly Sky receiver that I like to use is, well, they range depending again on who you buy it from and how many you buy. Probably around about £7 is probably a reasonable price at the moment. They seem to be going up in price for some reason. Don't know why. Anyway, depending on what sort of battery I put in there, we could actually use some of this space for bits and pieces. Because if I put a couple of LiPo batteries in there, they'll take up less space. Although if I can find the original battery box, I could put the lithium-ion batteries in there, the 14500 that are the same size as a AA. Same size as a AA battery. So, right, I'll put this lot in a box for now. I won't put it all back together. And this will be an ongoing project at some time in the future. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.